Imagine cutting hours off your content creation process while boosting your income. What if you could turn scripts into professional voiceovers in minutes? Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or entrepreneur, there's a tool that's helping people save time and earn more. Stick around, and I'll show you how you can transform your workflow and maximize your profits with just a few clicks. The tool I'm talking about is Murf AI, a powerful AI-driven voiceover platform that's changing the game for content creators. With Murf, you can turn your scripts into lifelike voiceovers in minutes, saving you countless hours. It offers a wide range of voices, languages, and tones, so you can tailor your voiceovers exactly to your needs. Plus, it's affordable, which means you get professional quality results without the hefty price tag. If you want to streamline your projects and increase your productivity, click the link in the description to grab an exclusive offer and start using Murf AI today. After successfully signing up for a Murf AI account, now that you're in the main dashboard, let's get started with creating your first project. To do this, simply click on the Create Project button. This will take you to the project creation screen, where you can begin customizing your voiceover. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a toolbar. From there, select Explore AI Voices. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a huge library of AI voices to choose from, whether you're after a male, female, or even child's voice. Murf AI has it all. Each voice comes with its own unique characteristics, and you can even listen to samples before making your decision. But it doesn't stop there. If you want to find something even more specific, Murf offers an incredibly detailed Filters feature. This allows you to search for voices based on a range of criteria, like language, gender, age group, voice style, and even the use case. Need a confident, professional tone for a business presentation? Or maybe a calm, soothing voice for a meditation app? The filter options make it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. This level of customization really sets Murf apart, allowing you to find the perfect voice for your project. Whether you're creating content in different languages or need a specific tone for an ad, these options make it easy to get exactly what you need. After selecting your voice, simply type your script into the text box and hit play. Murf will automatically generate a high-quality audio file in seconds. The result is a clear, professional voiceover without any recording hassle. Let's take a quick listen to a sample I've created.
The killer whale, or orca, is one of the ocean's most powerful predators. Despite its name, the orca isn't a danger to humans in the wild, but is known for its incredible hunting skills.
And here's something even better. If you're not completely satisfied with the audio, you can easily make adjustments. You have full control over the pitch, speed, and even adding pauses. You can change pronunciations, tweak variability, and use word-level emphasis to fine-tune the voiceover and create the perfect audio that matches your needs. Now, let's dive into another fantastic feature of Murf AI, Add Media. This is where you can take your projects to the next level. First up is stock music. Murf offers a rich library of music tracks across various genres, allowing you to enhance the emotional impact of your content. Whether you're in need of something upbeat for an energetic vibe, or a more tranquil track to set a calming atmosphere, you can easily filter through the options to find the perfect fit. Let's take a moment to listen to a sample of some of the upbeat music available. It truly elevates your project and makes it more engaging for your audience. Next, we have stock images, powered by Pexels. With this feature, you can effortlessly browse through a vast collection of high-quality images to complement your voiceover. The interface allows you to choose the orientation that best fits your design, whether it's landscape or portrait. Each image is available in HD quality, and with a powerful search tool, you can find just the right photo to convey your message. Imagine being able to visually enhance your story with stunning visuals that capture attention. Similarly, Murf also provides access to stock videos. This feature offers a wide variety of video clips that can perfectly align with the themes of your project. You can search through countless clips, ensuring you find just the right footage to match your voiceover. The quality is exceptional, providing you with professional-grade visuals that make your content shine. This combination of stock music, images, and videos enables you to create truly engaging and polished projects all in one place. It saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what really matters, crafting your message and connecting with your audience. Now, let's continue exploring the audio-to-text feature of Murf AI. To get started, simply click on Select a File. Murf supports various formats, including MP3 and MP4, making it incredibly easy for you to upload your audio recordings without any complications. Once you've uploaded your file, you'll see the Start Transcribing section. Here, you need to select the language used in your audio and confirm to proceed. After that, you can relax and let Murf do its magic as it processes the audio file. In just a few moments, Murf AI will provide you with a complete transcript of the audio content. But that's not all. You have the flexibility to choose the voice of any character you want to use for the audio output. This allows you to create unique and engaging content tailored to your preferences. Additionally, you can change the variability of the voice, allowing it to reflect your personal style. You can also adjust the pauses between sentences to enhance the flow of the audio, ensuring it sounds natural and conversational. Plus, you have the option to modify various settings to achieve the most satisfying audio result possible. Now let's take a moment to listen to a sample of how this might sound. You'll be amazed at how Murf allows you to craft a polished voiceover that truly resonates with your audience.
I hope we can always remind ourselves, no matter what the world may otherwise tell us, that our self-worth is not determined by where we are now, but is to be determined by what keeps us close to the ground.
Now, let's talk about the Translate feature, which allows you to translate your voiceovers in more than 20 languages. Murf AI provides highly accurate translations in every language, ensuring that your message is communicated clearly and effectively. You can also tailor your translations in multiple tones, allowing for a more personalized touch. Best of all, Murf retains your project's original structure, so your content stays organized and cohesive. This feature is perfect for reaching global audiences and expanding your content's impact effortlessly. Lastly, let's explore the PowerPoint plugin, which seamlessly integrates Murf AI into your presentations. With this plugin, you can easily transform your slides into engaging voiceovers, enhancing your storytelling. Simply install the plugin, and you'll have access to all of Murf's voice options right within PowerPoint. This means you can create dynamic presentations with natural-sounding narration in just a few clicks. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a lecture, or any presentation, this tool streamlines your workflow and elevates your content to the next level. Now let's highlight some other fantastic features available in Murf AI. First, the Invite People function allows you to easily share your project with others. This makes collaboration a breeze as you can track progress, share feedback, and work together in real time. Next is the Share Preview option, which enables you to share specific builds of your project in audio or video format. This is perfect for getting input from colleagues or clients before finalizing your content. Additionally, you can use the Embed Code feature to integrate your audio or video builds directly onto your website. This makes it easy to showcase your work and reach a wider audience. Now, let's talk about exporting your projects. To export, start by selecting your export format. Once you've made your choice, simply select the desired format, whether it's audio or video. Finally, just hit the download button and you're all set. Your project will be ready for sharing or presentation in no time. You've seen how powerful and easy to use Murf AI is. Now let's take a look at the pricing options to find the perfect plan for you. For individuals and freelancers, the Creator Plan is a solid starting point at just $19 per month. It includes 5 projects, 24 hours of voice generation annually, and access to over 200 voices, styles, and tones. If your needs are more extensive, the Business Plan at $66 per month gives you 50 projects, 96 hours of voice generation, and advanced features like an AI voice changer and business licensing. For larger teams or enterprises, there's the Enterprise Plan, which offers unlimited voice generation, custom projects, and dedicated support. Pricing for this plan is custom, so you'll need to reach out for a quote. And here's a pro tip. If you opt for annual billing, you'll save 30%, making it a fantastic deal. Ready to take your content creation to the next level? Click the link in the description to get this special offer and start with Murf AI today. That's a wrap on today's video about Murf AI. It's a game changer for anyone looking to create professional voiceovers quickly and efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. And to get started with Murf AI, click the link in the description to grab the special offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.